ngiyakuvikela kwezinye zezinto. Uyabona? Vele ngisho ukuthi uyahluleka ngiyasho kodwa ukuthi awufuni ukuyithola ukuleyo position. And ngithembe nalo muntu futhi uyofika ube right. Ungakhathazeki. Wena themba ngithembe yabona nje kuyona yonke lento ngiyazama ngiyahlanganisa ukuthi yonke lento le ibe yinhle ifane nayo yonke le mpahla le mase kusoyifaki
Umana
yeah dad
ngandingela gifts ne thank you but
hayi ukuthi ngizokukhohlisa ngalento ngikukhohlisa
let's repeat
yebo
what's your decision? I want to go home ndiyazi intobana ndimephi now
yeah okay wena mama mina
so I can decide
ngicela uyicabangisise lento yazo the decision that I took ngicela ungajiki yona
then ndiyaphuma mina ekhaya I'm done here. Yeah, well, we take a decision now. That's what we want to do. So it's fine. Now I'm taking my own decision.
Also,
no, you can do it. I'm just.
Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Life with Maka Jane. I am Maka Jane. So bazala bamzitho, Uvyokazi has finally posted pictures with lobola negotiations like you guys. She was looking fabulous, I wanna lie. Even if female you could see it by the way, judging from the way Mama Uvyokazi apeka Uvyokazi nakhona, you could see ukuthi Mama Uvyokazi uhappy ukuthi umntana wakhe uyashada, and obvious she's proud of Uvyokazi. Yabona guys, yesterday I think it was ilanga elikhulu for a lot of women in South Africa, especially those who have been watching Zinganzi's team and Uthandweni team, because we all know that Uvyokazi has a huge fan base. I'm one of those people, mina bathanda Uvyokazi. I don't say anything wrong with Uvyokazi, but I just wanted to say nje congratulations to Uvyokazi nomyeni wakhe omusha. Even the husband, guys, phela uchef sakabhiza ngohusband, even the husband posted pictures wamalobola wabo, guys. And guys, the reason engenze ukuthi ngiposted that clip from izingane ezithembu ukuthi nje to show and ukukhumbuza abantu ukuthi you know what, Uvyokazi ubuya kude noMpumelelo. Uvyokazi gave uMpumelelo a chance, but uMpumelelo didn't want to choose Uvyokazi. Instead, it just became selfish. If he really wanted to take a virgin, into kaVyokazi beyincane, guys, ukuthi if angisumfazi wokuqala, I'm not going to be part of isithembu sakho. Ngabe yenza uVyokazi umfazi wokuqala then kwalandela abanye. Ilento leyo ukuthi wazi umuntu ukuthi uyakuthanda bese somjwayela kabi. So ubona kahle ukuthi yazi ukuthini, ngoba uyangithanda angeke azangishiye. Uyazi musi njoba uTrelo naye eshilo ukuthi uVyokazi uhlelela izinto eziningi abanye abafazi ngeke bazihlelela, but ke yabona uVyokazi iyatshengisa ukuthi your boyfriend should not stop you from getting your husband, guys. Bazala bamzitho, please comment down below and please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.